What is going on, guys? Welcome to my daily portfolio update. This is Fernandoherrera, and today we have a pretty good day. I'm very happy and excited that the markets are back up and they're going back in strong. So Dow, Nasdaq, all 2% above in the green pretty much. Dow Jones pretty much almost 700 points at the time of doing this video up. I do think the momentum is going to keep, and if anything, there might be a slightly downward slope towards the end of the day, but nothing very serious. Now, this is my Fidelity account series where I deposit $1,000 every month. So far, I've only deposited $8,000 and we've made $870. So it is the first of the month. So I deposited a new brand of $1,000 batch pretty much, right? If you haven't already, please feel free to like this video and subscribe so that other people can find my videos. And let's go over into what I'm doing, what I'm buying, what I'm selling, and what I recommend pretty much that's going to happen. So today we are going to be talking briefly about Ford. Ford did pull back heavily last week, but it's making a quick and good recovery. Also, I will be talking about two very interesting stocks that I've been initiating a position and have not talked as much. One of them is Linde, Lin. So we actually bought this at 244. Roughly right now 251. So just kind of talk about what they do and who they are. And then also another company that I'm initiating right now a position in is Lilly, or LLY. Pretty much Eli Lilly is a high quality pharmaceutical company. Really all they do is there's a variety of medicines and type of drugs that they actually distribute and produce. And so pretty much I think that long term the future for this company and the sector of healthcare is very promising. So I did initiate a $100 position into this company. Also, I will be selling 25% or 30% of my Starbucks holdings. Now again, this does not change anything or how I feel about the company towards my future or for future long term. However, I do think that it's some time to lock in some gains on Starbucks. And again, you could do the same, or you could just kind of wait around. I'm still keeping 66% of my Starbucks holdings. Now, our best gainers today is Planet, Boeing, and Tesla in terms of dollar value. And Affirm, ironically enough, is actually our biggest loser today. So I have been, if you've been watching other videos, I've been recommending Affirm. It's a financing company that I use for my website. They're really, really strong, and they keep going down. So I'm still gonna keep buying. Like you guys saw right now, I bought another $20 just to kind of average down my cost basis. And then that same goes for Nvidia. Nvidia, I'm not gonna buy right now, but I'm definitely keeping it on my watch list very closely. Now, in terms of percentage growth today, Block is winner number one. Block, if you guys haven't heard of it, it's pretty much a cryptocurrency company or stock that helps with blockchain. And so if you're trying to get into cryptocurrency stocks, that's a good stock to own. NEO also went down to $44 today, going back to $49. So definitely 7% increase and good return if you bought it at a lower price like we did last week. Now, with that being said, in terms of my overall activity or the activity ledger, as you guys can see, I did receive a dividend and I deposited $1,000 for this month. That was sharp on time. And I did sell some of JP Morgan last week. So I bought some more DuPont. I've been buying more of Affirm and NEO. As you guys see, on the 24th of last week, we bought $15 in NEO. Not that much, but again, the whole point is to average down cost basis and then just kind of buy on the dips and then try to sell or make some profit on the high. So with that being said, guys, I know that right now SPG is our top stock right now, which is really good. I do also want to talk briefly about our cryptocurrency account on Webull. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, we do have all those three coins. And if you're thinking of investing in cryptocurrencies, there's a link down on my description. You can click on it and you will get 2 free stocks and you can start investing in these cryptocurrencies. They were losing money, or at least Litecoin and Ethereum. Now at least they're back on the greens. Cryptocurrency has been a bit more volatile, but just kind of giving you guys a update on where that is. The account's worth roughly 700 something. But anyways, let's talk about Linde real quick. And Linde, I added this position last week, and it's really a big supplier of industrial gases. I think this is a good sector for materials that I'm investing in, and so just a good company to diversify my portfolio and kind of keep an eye on, not to mention a good dividend. Now, the other one I briefly spoke about too was Lilly. Now, again, this is just a pharmaceutical company. The purpose here is to diversify my healthcare sector portfolio. I did find something quite unique in this company. You know, they're forecasted to grow, but this company is actually undervalued based on current fair value. So again, most of the shares that I've shared here through Simply Wall Street, you will see that they're overvalued, and that so this company, for some reason, it's undervalued. It's 204, and it should be like more than that. So I see a lot of potential in future for this company. And then also Ford, you know, one of our favorite stocks. I do think right now, last week they had a bit of a pullback because of the Bronco issue recall. Not a lot of consumers were affected. Apparently only up to 250 consumers were affected. But this could have been some negative news towards the stock that affected the stock performance. Again, I'm just speaking my mind here, but not entirely sure. Really, the risks about Ford right now is only the turnaround execution. So how fast can Farley, the CEO, really get the electrify strategy implemented, and then really competition in the economic cycle. But other than that, guys, that's it for today. I do recommend that you guys buy, you know, Ford, Lilly, and Linde. So if you guys haven't already, that's what I'm buying and that's what I'm selling for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again on Wednesday. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoy my content, so that other people can find it more easily. Thank you and have a great day. It's a 16 buff in the